Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's lesson, let's do some short conversations. The first one is between a passenger and ticket examiner. So let's get started. Show me your ticket, please. Here it is, sir. Is this your luggage? Yes, sir. You cannot carry so much luggage on one ticket. What should I do then? You will have to pay penalty. How much should I pay? Pay $20 only. The next conversation is between a customer and a shopkeeper. Have you got any change? What do you need? I need some tens. Oh, how many do you want? Well, can you change $100 bill? Yes, I think so. Okay, thanks. The next one is a telephonic conversation. There is a phone bell. You please wait. I answered the bell. Who is on the line? This is Mike. Who do you want to talk to? To your father. He is still in the office, but I just called on the office number. They told me he left for home. He hasn't reached yet. He must be on his way back home. Can I take a message? You tell him Tyson called. I will. Thanks. Bye. Bye. On the phone. Hello, Nick. Here. Hello, this is Dave. Oh, hello, Dave. I'm afraid I can't come to work today, Nick. Oh, what's the problem? I've got a very sore throat. Yes, you sound ill on the phone. Yes, I'll stay in bed today, but I'll be able to come tomorrow. That's all right, Dave. Stay in bed until you feel well enough to work. Thank you, Nick. Goodbye. Goodbye, Dave. An emergency call to the police. Emergency? Which service, please? Police. Police here. I have just seen two crash into a security van. I think it's a robbery. Where? Just outside the college gate. Which college? Conard College at Layton Street. Okay, we'll take care about that. Thanks. The next conversation is at the railway station. Excuse me. Yes, can I help you? Yes, I'd like some information about trains, please. Where to? To Derby. When? Tomorrow. Morning or afternoon? In evening, about 6 o'clock. There's one at 6:40. Thank you. Come on, Maria, hurry up. Drink your tea. The train's leaving in a minute. We'll be late. I can't finish it. It's much too hot for me to drink. Why don't you put some milk in? I don't like white tea. Oh, okay. There is it cool enough for you to drink now. Yes, but it tastes awful. The next conversation is also about train. Oh, there is the train. Bring the cases. Oh, what have you got in these cases? Only clothes. Why? Are they heavy? Yes, they are. The taxi driver managed to carry them. Well, they are too heavy for me to carry. Well, I'm not strong enough to help you, porter, at the airport. Excuse me, please. Is Sydney-bound flight departing on time? Which airline, please? Air Lanka. Oh, that was supposed to fly at 10th hours. Because of the bad weather, the flight has been delayed. How is the weather in Sydney? There is heavy snowfall and you can't land. Even if you depart, you would to stay in Singapore. How long would I have to stay there? I'm afraid I cannot tell you. Until Sydney gives the green sign, you got to stay there. Who will bear the expenses? Oh, don't worry about that. The house will be on your airline. Oh, that is the way I like it. I would rather see Singapore. I'd like a pair of shoes, please. What color would you like?